Hello and welcome to Someka Google Sheets tips video. In this video, we're going to use COUNTIF formula in Google Sheets. COUNTIF formula allows us to count total number of values in a specific range if they meet a given condition. So I have my employee list for demonstration purposes. Let's find the total number of employees in the sales department. So I'm going to type our COUNTIF formula here. Let's choose the cells with the department data, then choose our condition. So we have 6 employees in the sales department. Our condition can be dynamic and come from a cell. Or we can just directly type the condition into the formula, like this. So I'm going to choose our range again. And instead of choosing the condition cell, I'm just going to write sales. It will give me the number of employees in the sales department. Our condition can be a bit more complex. Let's say we want to count the people hired after a specific date. Let's say we want to count the employees hired after March 3rd. So I'm going to write the COUNTIF formula and choose the cells with the hire and date data. I'm going to put greater and equal, then put and, then I'm going to choose my condition here. So we have 8 employees in total hired after 3rd of March. We can also use date formula instead of choosing this cell. Now I'm going to manually enter the date. Now we have the same result. We can also use 2 conditions at the same time. To do that, we can use COUNTIF's formula instead of COUNTIF. So let's give an example. I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to use COUNTIFs, so we can input multiple conditions. Let's say we want to find out total number of salespeople hired after March 3rd. Let's choose the cells with department data first. Choose our condition. Now we're going to add the second condition. Now we have the total number of salespeople hired after March 3rd. Understanding how to use the COUNTIF formula in Google Sheets can be a powerful tool for data analysis. By setting dynamic and multiple conditions, you can quickly and easily extract valuable information from your data. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.